Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are given a table that has the annual budgets for different programs in Kansas from the years 2007 to 2010. We're asked which of the following best approximates the average rate of change in the annual budget for agriculture and natural resources, which is just going to be this row right here, from 2008 to 2010. So the rate of change is going to be the change in money over the change in time. Now the change in time from 2008 to 2010 is 2 years, so it's going to be over 2 years. And what is the change in money? Well, we're going to need a little bit more room for that, so let's write it down here. We have, keeping the denominator the same, 488,106 and 358,708. Now you'll notice that we're going to be subtracting these values, and none of these come close to 50 million or 65 million. That's because we have to remember this is in thousands of dollars. So keeping that in mind, we're going to have to multiply these numbers by 1,000. Luckily, it's not hard to multiply numbers by 1,000. You just have to add 3 zeros at the end. Don't even have to mess up where the commas are. So we have 488,106,000. Since we're dealing with millions, I'm not going to worry about the thousands. Just going to approximate this as 488 million minus 358,708 becomes, multiplying by 1,000, 358,708,000. Again, we're just going to approximate to the nearest million. So we're going to have 358 million. And I guess that's not really approximating to the nearest million because you'd round up in that case, but you'll see why I didn't do that. Your number would be basically the same, but 488 million minus 358 million comes out to a more even 130 million over 2 years. If you had turned that into a 9, then it would be 129 million. Not actually that big of a deal, but that's why I rounded it, because 8 minus 8 makes it a little bit easier for the math. And then this is, we should specify it's in dollars. So 130 million divided by 2 years, 130 divided by 2 is 65. And then don't forget the million. $1 million per now 1 year. Which of the answers does line up with? Well, B, $65 million per year is the average rate of change in the annual budget for agricultural and natural resources in Kansas from 2008 to 2010. So B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.